Good afternoon, I'm Joan Cammack. The topic of this breakout session is brain fitness, how new research is revolutionizing behavioral health. I'm going to start by telling you how I became interested in this. It was not my first career. I was an executive in a big asset management company, but like some of you, I raised two children that had learning differences. And wanted to be a good parent and an advocate for them, I began to think about how do they learn, what's going on inside their brains, and I became an amateur neuroscientist about 15 years ago. And they fortunately were mainstream, they did very well, there was very good schooling where I live in Baltimore, Maryland. But it kind of took me down this pathway of becoming fascinated with the brain and the possibilities of making our brains work better. Fast forward to about 4 years ago, and really what I think is the basis for this panel, I concluded there was a point in time where the translational research coming out of academic research departments was so compelling that we could retrain our brains, that there was technology being created that would deliver these interventions in easier to use forms, whether it was to clinics or to the consumer, or to schools, or into the workforce, or the military, that if there was ever a moment in time to go and pursue this and kind of chase my dream of making this scalable, that was the time. And I've never looked back, and I think that, you know, the principles that compelled me to act are really the principles that are going to make this a fascinating breakout session. And it's really a